Hello guys, you are watching Tech. Welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can install XAMPP on Linux. So the installation process will be same for the all distributions like Debian, Mint, Arch, Ubuntu, etc. So I'm using Linux Mint. So let's start the process. First, open your browser to download the XAMPP. Go to google.com and search XAMPP. And open the first link. This will be the official link. Click on the downloads and scroll down for Linux. I'm downloading the latest version 8.2.12. Just click on the download. Okay, it will automatically start the download, or you can click here. Okay, our download is started here, as you can see. Okay, after the download finish, just close the browser, open your computer, or go to the download sections where you download the XAMPP.run file. Just not this, click on the rename button and copy all the text. Now open terminal from the downloads folder. Just click on open terminal. Now type chmod 755 and paste the full text you copy previously and click on enter. Now type sudo // and paste the entire text you copy previously and click on enter. Now put the password of your distribution and click on enter. Now it will pop up the setup wizard of the XAMPP. Click on the forward, install everything, click on the forward, and this is the directory where it installed /opt/lamp. So click on forward to preparing the installations and wait for a while to complete the full process. Okay, our installation is completed. Now click on launch XAMPP and finish. Okay, one more important thing that I want to tell you, that how you can open XAMPP again after the installation process finished. So open your computer and then open file system, then go to opt, then go to lamp, and from here open terminal. Okay, now type sudo /manager -linux x64.run. Type the password and yeah, you will open it again. So our XAMPP GUI wizard is open. So close that and close that. So now go to the manage server, and first of all you have to stop the Apache web server, and then click on the configurations, and here as you can see the port is 80. So I'll change it to 88 and click on OK. So now if you want to set up the MySQL database, then click on the configurations. You can change the port from here also. Just click on OK. Now click on start first Apache web server. Then after that click on the MySQL database. So everything is running. Now let's open a browser to check it out. Localhost clone, what is the IP we got put there? 88. First go to there and it will open the dashboard of the XAMPP Apache plus MariaDB plus PHP plus Perl. So welcome to the XAMPP for Linux. So if you want to access the MySQL database, then click on the PHP myadmin, just click on that and it will open your PHP myadmin, that means the SQL database admin panel. So this is it for today guys. I hope it will help you a lot to set up the XAMPP on your Linux distributions. So thank you for watching. If it helpful, then hit the like button, and if you have any problem, comment down and I'll answer it. And yeah, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye.